Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Bluetooth not connecting to SONY Xperia 10 Mark 7. Let's begin! So recently the newer phones actually do no longer show that you have Bluetooth enabled. You have to manually expand the control center and then you can see that your Bluetooth is indeed enabled. Let's get rid of that notification, or not, never mind. So now we want to simply press and hold onto the Bluetooth and we can see our device connections. So as you can see, I have my saved devices and these are two Tozo crystal pods, which are just very simple headphones. Well, actually they're not headphones, they're this earbuds nowadays. They are very popular and you could say that, hey, actually it's not working, my Bluetooth isn't connecting. Well, this is because the earbuds are working slightly different. I have to manually put them out, so I will just take one earbud out. You will notice the little LEDs flashing, and now we want to give it a moment, and as you can see, if you have this paired to your device, then actually this works. But of course it won't work for everyone, and also there are plenty of different Bluetooth devices, so let's actually start fixing that. First of all, let's simply let's just reboot the Bluetooth, and we can do that by just disabling the Bluetooth. Now you want to give it a couple of moments, like maybe 30 seconds, maybe like 10 seconds, maybe 1 minute. It's completely up to you, but from my experience I know it doesn't really have to be that long. And then you want to enable it back. Now this will simply reboot the module inside your phone that's responsible for Bluetooth, and as you can see it did work for me. But of course there is a way and there is a world in which some of you won't really have your device paired. Now, how you pair a device is of course device specific. It's hard to predict how exactly you want to pair, but most of the Bluetooth devices follow the very simple rule. If you have a power button, then this means that you want to press and hold it for about 5 seconds, maybe 10, until some sort of LED will start flashing, and then you have put your device in the pairing mode. My earbuds here are slightly different. When you are not paired, they will start automatically pairing with everything in area. As you can see, they don't really have any kind of button, they only have one button here, and it's not really a button, it's for tapping and like changing the volume and all of that. So let's, for example, reboot them, let's remove them from our device, and let's try to pair them again. And in order to pair them again, as you can see, we have this typical LEDs. We can just go to pair new device, and as you can see, they are already here. So yeah, we can now click, and we should be able to connect. Let's go to pair, and we have successfully connected. The unpairing and repairing your device with your headphones or earbuds or whatever else will also help tremendously. But of course, if it's not helping, then there's a start of playing a diagnostic. What do I mean by this? Well, you don't really know what's wrong. Either it's the Bluetooth in your device or it's the Bluetooth device itself. So you can, for example, borrow your friend's phone or like family member's phone or roommate phone or whatever. And after you have it, you want to try to connect your Bluetooth device to their phone. If it works, then this means that your device, in our case it's SONY Xperia, doesn't work, or at least its Bluetooth doesn't work. However, if you try to connect your Bluetooth device to your friend's phone and it doesn't work, then this means that your phone is completely fine and it's the device that you want to connect to that is actually at fault here. And with that simple diagnostic tests out of the way, we now know what's wrong, and we can, for example, check our warranty and maybe return our Bluetooth device or return our phone or do whatever else. But generally speaking, these are the ways that you can fix your Bluetooth not connecting. Just reboot it, unpair and repair your device if needed, and if it's still not working, play a diagnostic game. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!